slippery it is.
It's cold. Very cold. Dad! I need my water shoes.
Okay, you still need help, Shiloh?
Seems like we go backpack to that's the last place.
I want you to start packing the shoes.
Oh, I can just sit here.
All right.
Yeah, look, I picked it up. It's very, very steep. I think we had to walk on the extra one.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, it was hard to get it out.
Hey, come on, Shiloh.
Wash these. This one here.
You think it was a mountain lion? Cross it.
Come on. Fish in there? Okay. Come on, both sticks. Good job.
Those sticks are
Good job. They split right in front of you, Shiloh. One went to your left, one went to your right. That was cool.
That one almost touched me.
I-
Are we gonna camp at Washington Lake?
Washkey Lake?
Yeah.
I'm not totally sure.
Are we gonna fish there?
We can try fishing there, yeah.
One, two, three. Oh, maybe. Oh, wait. Is that waterproof?
Yeah.
Good. So you should flip them inside out. It'll help. Mine is inside out. Now I'm gonna flip it the other way. The right way. I want to get my hands soaking. You can't see my dart. You can only barely see it.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! Look at that. Yeah. Amazing. Now that's pretty still. Oh! Just off. Denise, you better hurry up and get these dry.
I want to get away somewhere over yonder. Blue sky above yellow ground. Like leaves that keep on falling. So much beauty everywhere. it's peeking at me through the trees. Although I'm gone.
Maisie, that's pretty much where I caught the first one here. Rods, Maisie. Let's see my fish. Oh,
Get some spinning. Grab on. Just grab 'em. It's okay.
I like to feel my fish.
There you go. Get down. Get down.
Let's get
Little
up,
more. Little more. Little more.
up,
And up.
up.
All right, I got the pole.
Pull the pole. Oh, grab him.
Maisie, you want to grab the pole?
Yes.
Thank you. Push it.
Calm down, calm down.
Oh, fish after fish.
That one went quick.
Oh, can I start?
I only got 2.
3.
Met 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Now how many do you have?
7. I'm going first. Oh no! Got rid of my yellows. I got rid of my yellows.
Reverse, 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 reverse.
The D. Reverse, reverse.
This you can't drop it on your face. I'm saying one of these nights you're gonna wake up with a chipmunk look in your lips.
Is it my turn?
Yeah. Daddy. Who's it?
My turn?
Yes.
Get 1. You. Maisie has to get
Checking the weather again.
green.
Can I say anything else about tonight?
Just said it's supposed to be a thunderstorm and some rain, and then out of here by 9. So we'll see.
Maisie, he only has a
My turn?
which
Yes.
color?
Green.
Feels cool now. Don't know how I give you a wet wipe. Say wipe your face.
I wiped my face.
She just does whatever her tongue can't reach.
I did this.
Who's next?
Did you know your lips are part of your face?
Mom's turn. Can't go.
That means you have to draw a card.
Well, it's not like you're done with the game.
Uno. See, Maisie? See? No, she's good. She's good.
Why?
Draw one.
Well, maybe anyways you did have to get
Okay, Daddy.
Daddy.
I'll let you go this time.
It didn't count. No.
Tyler's got a green 4. Look at it, everybody.
Draw. Shallow. Got a 9. Go. Put it down, Shallow. Uno. Green. And Maisie gets it. I won the game. Yes, you did, Mrs.
Play another hand or go to bed.
Play another.
It's getting chilly in here.
I'm a deal, and Dad go first.
Okay.
Dad, Shiloh.